Today we have to discuss about the exercise 10b. In the previous lecture we have completed exercise 10a. In this exercise, question number 1 is that Rupesh secures 495 marks out of 750 in his annual examination. Find the percentage of marks obtained by him. I have told how to find the percentage. Just formula to find the percentage is secured marks upon total marks into 100. So first of all, I'm going to write the values. Secured marks equals to 495. Total marks, yeah, you can also say कि maximum mark equals to 750 percent of marks equals to secured marks upon total marks into 100. Now I'm going to put the values here and find percentage of marks. That is 495 upon 750 into 100. This 0 and this 0 cancel out. 5 2s are 5, 1 are 5 and 5 5s are. Now 15 1s are 15 and 15 3s are 45. 4 बचा 45. So it means 66%. So this is a value of percentage. ठीक है. Now come to the question number 2. The monthly salary of a typist is rupees 15625. If he gets an increase of 12%, find his new salary. So first of all, I'm going to find the increment and then add in the previous salary. Okay, it is very simple question. So how was the salary? The salary of the person is rupees monthly salary equals to rupees 15625. Percent of increase, ठीक है, percent of increase equals to 12%. ठीक है, तो increase या increment equals to 12% of 15625. 12 upon 100 into 15625. ठीक है, there are two methods you can find. इसकी मल्टीप्लाई कर लें, उसके बाद दो डेसिमल लगा सकते हैं. अदरवाइज वी कैन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट एंड वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. तो देखते हैं कैसे कर लेते हैं इसे. 12 5 ज़ा 60 कैरी 6, 12 2 ज़ा 24 and 6 30 कैरी 3, 12 6 ज़ा 72 and 3 75 carry 7, 12 5 ज़ा 60 and 7 67 carry 6, 12 1 ज़ा 12 and 6 18 upon 100. ठीक है, these two zeros are cancelled out, equals to rupees 1875. This will be the increment of his salary. So new salary equals to rupees 15625 plus rupees 1875. The new salary will be 550 carry 1 10 0 1 14 and 1 15 carry 1 6 and 7 and 1. That is 17,500. So this will be a new salary of the person. In the question number 3, now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is that the excise duty of an central item has been reduced to rupees 760 from 950. Find the reducing percentage in the excise duty of that item. In this, we have to find how much percent it will be reduced. So we can, so first of all, we have to find the reduced value. After that, we can find easily the percentage of the reduced value excise in excise duty. Okay? So this question you have to do it yourself. First of all, you have to subtract both the units and find the percentage. Okay. Now question number 4. 96% of the cost of a TV is rupees this. What is the cost of? What is its total cost? So a TV is 96% कॉस्ट इज गिवन टू यू. बेसिकली किसी भी आइटम की जो कॉस्ट होती है वो 100% मानते हैं, बट हेयर इट्स वैल्यू ऑफ 96% इज गिवन टू यू. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड इट्स टोटल कॉस्ट. टोटल कॉस्ट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ 100% वी हैव टू फाइंड. ठीक है. तो इन दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द वैल्यूज. 96% of the cost of TV equals to rupees 10464. ठीक है. It is a 96% of the value. We have to find its 100% value. ठीक है. तो मीन्स क्या हुआ? It is the value of 96% of total value. Total value will be X equals to 10464. तो 96 upon 100 into x equals to 10464. X equals to 10464 into 100 upon 96. ठीक है. Now we are I'm going to solve this. इसको डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. 6 1 जा 6, 3 6 6 जा 36. Now 6 1 जा 6, 3 आ गए यहाँ पे. 4 6 7 जा 42, 2 6 4 जा 24 and 6 4 जा 24. ठीक है. Now 8 2 जा 16. Yeah, you can also write 4 4 जा 16, 4 25 जा. Now 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16, carry 1, 4 3 जा 12, 2 and 4 6 जा. So that is 436 into 25. Now multiply them. 25 6 जा 150, 0 carry 15, 25 3 जा 75 and 15 90, 0 carry 9, 25 4 जा 109. So this is the 100% value या फिर total cost of TV equals to rupees 10900. So this is a 100% value of the given item. ठीक है. Question number 5. 70% of the students in the school are boys and the number of girls is 504. Find the number of boys. So the total percentage of girls and boys in 100% and the 70% will be the boys. That's why the girls will be how much? 30%. Yes. तो हम उसको 30% मान लेंगे. टोटल हमें फाइंड आउट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन द क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन द स्कूल. अगर हमें टोटल पता लग जाएगा उसके बाद हम उसमें से गर्ल्स सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. देन वी गेट द एक्यूरेट वैल्यू ऑफ द बॉयज. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड द टोटल वैल्यू. तो हियर लेट द टोटल number of students be x. ठीक है. ATQ. Yeah, we can also write percent of boys equals to 70%. Percent of girls equals to 100 minus 70. that is 30%. Now ATQ, 30% of total will be the girls, and girls in the numbers 504. Here by this method we can easily find the value of x, means total strength. So 30 upon 100 into x equals to 504. X equals to 504 into 100 upon 30. This 0 cancel out. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 2 remaining, 3 6 6 ja 18, and 3 8 ja 24. So x equals to 168 into 10, means 1680. These are the total strength of the school, of the total strength is given to you. Now we have to find the number of boys. So number of boys, we can subtract girls from the total. 504, it will be 6 7 0 and 1. This is a number of total number of boys in the school. Hope all you understand this topic. Thank you.